All right, DIY enthusiasts, buckle up. We're about to embark on a fun and creative journey. Today, I'm going to show you how to whip up some fun, colorful, and totally non-toxic Play-Doh right in your kitchen. This is a perfect activity for a rainy day or just when you need a creative outlet. No need to run to the store. Everything you need is probably already in your pantry. It's amazing how everyday items can turn into something so entertaining. Let's dive in, get ready to unleash your inner child, and have some fun. All right, here's what you'll need. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of salt, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, 1.5 cups of water, and food coloring of your choice. You can go wild with the colors or stick to a theme. Oh, and a little bit of patience, but that's optional. Sometimes the best creations come from a bit of trial and error. First, grab a big mixing bowl. Make sure it's large enough to handle all the ingredients without making a mess. Dump in your 2 cups of flour and 1 cup of salt. These are the base ingredients that will give your Play-Doh its structure. Give it a good mix. You want the salt to be evenly distributed throughout the flour. If you're feeling fancy, you can use a whisk. It helps to break up any clumps and makes the mixture smoother. But let's be real, a spoon works just fine. The goal is to combine the ingredients well. Now, in a separate saucepan, pour in 1.5 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar. The cream of tartar is what helps the Play-Doh stay soft and pliable. Heat this mixture over medium heat until it's nice and warm, but not boiling. Stir occasionally to make sure everything is well combined. You want it to feel like a warm hug, not a scorching betrayal. The warmth will help the ingredients meld together perfectly. Once your water mixture is ready, slowly add it to the flour and salt bowl. Pour it in gradually while stirring to avoid lumps. Stir it up until you get a doughy consistency. It should start to come together and look like actual dough. If it looks like a hot mess, you're doing it right. The dough will come together as you keep mixing. Now comes the fun part, colors. This is where you can get really creative. Divide your dough into as many sections as you want colors. Each section will be a different color, so plan accordingly. Add a few drops of food coloring to each section and knead it until the color is evenly spread. The more you knead, the more vibrant the color will become. Don't worry if your hands look like a rainbow exploded on them, it washes off. Just a bit of soap and water will do the trick, and there you have it. Beautiful homemade Play-Doh that's ready for action. Homemade, non-toxic Play-Doh that's perfect for keeping the kiddos entertained. They'll love the bright colors and soft texture. Or, for your own artistic expressions. No judgment here. Play-Doh isn't just for kids. It's a great stress reliever for adults too. Remember to store it in airtight containers so it doesn't dry out. This will keep it fresh and ready for play anytime. And if it does get a little dry, just add a bit of water and knead it back to life. It's a simple fix that will extend the life of your Play-Doh. A fun, easy, and super cheap way to make hours of entertainment. Plus, it's a great way to bond with your kids or just unwind. Plus, you get to look like a superhero in the eyes of your kids. They'll think you're a genius for making something so cool from scratch. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button and share it with your friends who might need a fun activity. And don't forget to subscribe for more DIY fun. We have plenty of creative projects lined up just for you. See you next time, and happy crafting. Keep those creative juices flowing and enjoy your homemade Play-Doh.